great day, I'm happy. Today's a great day, I'm happy. And today's a great day, I'm happy. Hey, you lovely creators, you creative beings in the world. Have I ever told you that when you raise your arms in the air, you can't get unhappy? No, I haven't told you that. So try it out. It's a really, really, really fantastic thing. And it works. Today, I feel I want to talk to you about courage. When we feel courage inside, we are growing. And courage can be so many things. Courage can be to encourage people to follow their way, to follow their path. And courage can be to risk something, not in the not in the playing hall. No, I mean to risk something, like when you have fear to lose your faith, to lose your faith. What is then? When you have fear, then the most courage is that you are willing to see your shades, and you are willing to see what is this fear about, to look at it, to feel at it. That's real courage. The most difficult things in life is to see what is inside me, because we are so good in telling everybody else or anybody else, oh, you have to do this or that, then your life will be good. But to see, to observe ourselves and to observe which situations causes me pain and not get into that trap that you see the faults in others instead of seeing the fault, or fault does not exist, I know, but to see the cause maybe in you, because every other person is only a mirror for you, is a reflection of what is inside of you. And when we observe ourselves, there's this very, very, very courage. This is courage in its essence. When you're painting, is courage also to go over negative states. And to observe your feelings. And also then let them go. It is the same. Wish you a wonderful day ahead. Love you. Bye-bye.